Alright, so this is the Road Glide ST. Don't know much about it, to be honest with you. I just have seen them around and have always wondered what they feel like, so this is what I'm doing. Man, so the exhaust goes right by my leg. Granted, it has a little sheath protector on it. I can still feel the warmth, though, through my jeans. However, if you sit properly like this, you won't touch it. It kind of makes you spread a little wide, so you don't really touch it. Alrighty. Wow, I feel like I'm turning a boat. I feel like I'm sailing. Man, this thing is large. Large and in charge, brother. Man, this thing is large. Woo! Felt like I was gonna pop a wheelie right there. The front tire popped on me, I think. This thing is so big though, dude. Oh my word. It's ridiculous. I don't know if I like it. I mean, I'm getting used to it, but boy, is this thing big. Wow. The gears are you've really got to look to know where they're at. It's got some power to it. Not too much power, but I mean, it's got power. This thing is blocking a whole bunch of wind, so I'm not feeling it whatsoever, really. I know there is wind because I can hear it. I'm not feeling it though. I mean, this isn't my vibe of bike. I mean, if I was going on a long road trip, then I could maybe do it. But just for riding around town, I wouldn't want to have such a big bike like this. Like going to work and stuff, nah. Even though it's big, I mean, I still feel like I can kind of whip it around, you know? Oh, I put it in neutral that time. Well, that's kind of fun. Let's see if I can put it in a neutral. Nope. Dude, how do you get these bikes into neutral, bro? I did it. Alright. Kickstands are always in a weird spot.